Excuse me, what are you doing, barging into our house?
Yeah, this definitely isn't your house. Who the hell are you people?
Okay, do not swear in front of my baby. Now, what the hell is going on?
I manage this property.
And we rent this property.
Then how come I have no idea who you are?
Jane tells the man standing in front of her they rented this place a long time ago, but some issues came up and delayed things. Michael immediately pulls out the real estate agent's business card.
Yeah, I know this guy.
But the man says this person is actually the deadbeat who stopped making payments last month.
I personally pay $1,000 a month.
Well, first of all, rent is $2,000.
What? That's not what he told us.
Oh, okay.
Michael hopes the man in front of him can give them some time to figure this whole thing out. Eventually, Jane discovers someone has been paying half their rent all along, and that person asked the landlord to keep it under wraps.
Who would do that?
No, it wasn't me.
He says it wasn't him.
So who would? Nope, not me. But if you need me to.
Oh, no.
Amanda's coming.
Good luck. Tell her I said hi.
No offense, but you're not really a value add. Excuse me,